Hello, I'm Warrant Officer Anthony Haig and I'm the Detachment Warrant Officer for Exercise Magic Carpet 21. To establish an exercise of this size requires RAF personnel from all across the force. We've deployed with approximately 350 personnel from all across the RAF, and this allows us to provide an excellent training package for 2 Squadron and 12 Squadron. It was said that an army marches on its stomach, and this is no different for the Air Force. We're lucky to have 3 mobile catering squadron managing the food supply. Their chefs cooking 4 meals each day, as well as the team maintaining the accommodation blocks we are living in. Our medical needs are managed by doctor, physio, nurse and medic, and they are providing an excellent service. The camp has a gym, and our deployed physical training instructor provides a wide range of activities to keep us fit and active.
Nice and low, there we go.
The team from 90 Signals Unit maintain vital communications network and equipment that allows us to talk in real time between distant locations. The base we are at is vast, and our personnel are often required to transit from one location to another. The mechanical transport unit manage the transportation requirements of the team, as well as the larger transport vehicles needed around our aircraft. And it's the movers who move freight and people on and off the aircraft and airside. With this many people, you can imagine that there is a lot of administration. The admin team are kept busy ensuring they have planned for personnel arriving and departing and providing local currency to troops. Air traffic control, high above the runway, track aircraft movements and provide departure and arrival information to aircraft. Our Voyager aircraft has taken up Omani and RAF personnel on sorties. The safety and comfort of the cabin is managed by the stewards. The aircraft of 2 and 12 Squadron require a range of trades to ensure they can fly, are equipped with the required weapons, and that the pilots are dressed safely for the environment in which they fly. The engineers, technicians, avionics experts and armourers work around the aircraft day and night, while the survival equipment specialists check the G-suits and associated kit to prepare the pilots for flight. The media team, filming this, are here to capture the whole story of the exercise, which they've forced me to say they have done brilliantly. Finally, we would not be able to have such a successful exercise without the help and support of our Omani friends. Shukran. Thank you.